Here just showing you how to the 3/4 inch spade drill bit, drilling 3 or 4 holes in the bottom for drainage in the 5-gallon bucket. It's very easy to do. DIY bucket planners. I just use a Black & Decker drill to drill the holes. Took no time at all to do it. I did two of the buckets. I just thought it was easier to do on the side instead of on the bottom. I thought it was easier to drain, especially if you had it and you put it on a solid surface. Here's the type of fill rock I used. I put it about an inch just right over the holes in there. I filled the bottom of the bucket up with so it would drain through. If you use pea gravel, the pea gravel will just come out of the holes that you just drilled. And then I'm filling it up with the organic potting soil. Add water as I went. So the soil had some moisture in it when I planted my seedlings. I watered and fertilized as I went. This is really easy for anybody to do. It's a lot cheaper than buying the planters. That can cost up to $50 each, the decorative planters. I use some Miracle-Gro vegetable fertilizer. And there you have it. I planted them in there. Very easy to move around with the handle and stuff on, and they do get quite heavy. And there I show you the one that I bought several years ago for $10 or $12. It's just a plain black planter.